Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. About Bobby. Let Bobby bring the joy of wagging tails to your crypto wallet. Whether you are here for the love of memes, or the potential for growth, Bobby token is ready to lead the way. And next, you can check here more detail about this project. You can see this tokenomics, token name, Bobby, total supply, 1 billion plus, token ticker, Bob, fair launch, ownership renounced, immutable, fully added smart contracts, LP tokens are burned. And next guys, we discuss how to buy. So guys, first of all, you can check here contract address of this project. You can copy this contract address now. Then you can see the step 1, create wallet. Download Phantom or Solflare wallet. These can be downloaded from the App Store or as Chrome extension for desktop users. Step 2, add Solana. Download Phantom or Solflare wallet. These can be downloaded from the App Store or as Chrome extension for desktop users. Step 3, swap Sol for Bobby. Download Phantom or Solflare wallet. These can be downloaded from the App Store or as Chrome extension for desktop users. Step 4, you are Bobby. Welcome to Bobby family. And next you can see this project is listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX2, DEX Screener. So first of all, we go to DEX Screener. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here, DEX Screener page is open. You can check here Bobby on Solana. You can check here price chart, pricing up and down. You can get your profit now. You can see this market cap amount 191k dollar. You can see the liquidity 61k dollars. You can check here price USD 0.0001913 dollar. You can check here buys to sales to buy volume 1.9k dollar. Sale volume 2.1k dollar. You can check here buyer seller. You can see this. And next guys, if you want to buy, then you can click here. And first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect wallet now. Then you can enter your Solana amount. For example, I enter Solana amount 0.1077. Then you can receive Bobby token now. If you want to sell Bobby, then you can click here and enter your Bobby token amount. For example, I enter Bobby token amount 2000. Then you can receive Solana now. You can check here, and next guy, you can scroll down and see this transaction detail about this project. You can check here, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to DEX tools of this project. So guys, you can click this and see this page is open. You can check here Bobby price index to 0.00191 dollar. You can check here. You can see this price chart, price up and down now. You can check here. Then guys, you can okay, I got it. Then you can buy and sell now. If you want to sell Bobby, then you can enter your Bobby amount. For example, I enter Bobby amount to 100. Then you can see Solana now. If you want to swap Solana to Bobby, then you can click here, enter your Solana amount. Then you can receive Bobby now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. Then you can receive now. Next you can scroll down and see this transaction detail, market cap amount, liquidity, holder, circulating supply, total market cap, 24 volume, volatility, total supply. You can check here all details. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to CoinGecko. You can click here and check here CoinGecko page is open. You can see this Bobby price in CoinGecko 0.001919 dollar. You can check here. You can scroll down and see this price chart of this project, market cap amount, liquidity, total supply amount. You can check here, and next we back to the home page, and next we go to CoinMarketCap. So guys, you can click this and see this page is open. CoinMarketCap amount, you can check here Bobby price 0.0001913 dollar. You can check here market cap 17.88k dollar, volume. You can see this market cap, total supply, maximum supply. You can check here price chart, pricing up and down. So guys, you can get huge profit through this project. You can check here now. You can see this, and next we back to the home page, And next guys, you can join this project on following social media platform, Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Bobby official Twitter page is open. You can follow this. You can check here. Let Bobby bring the joy of wagging tails to your crypto wallet. You can check here. You can see this our post. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. And next we back to the home page. And next we go to this project Telegram group channel. So we go to Telegram group channel. You can check here Bobby Telegram portal open. You can see this. You can follow now. I give information about this project. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.